All right, guys, back at it again with another Bitcoin analysis video. No long intro or promotion today, just straight up short form analysis. Let's go ahead and get started. Starting with this weekly chart, there is a lot of bullish talk up here at these levels, and it makes sense. It's understandable given that we've gone from 15K to 25K territory here in about 90 days. We're still seeing that slowdown, though, in momentum that I mentioned last week. And as you can tell, we're starting to reject from these major monthly resistance levels at around that 25K area and finally seeing some pullback. If we take a look at our indicators, you can see that that bullish volume is starting to finally die down here, and that impending bearish MACD cross that I mentioned last week confirmed. And now the momentum is starting to flip over as the bullish volume continues to fade out at these levels. So on this daily chart, you can see the ever increasing bearish volume here and the momentum with the MACD. Finally, now it's dipping down into that bearish territory here as well, as we hover as what appears to be just kind of some level of consolidation at these major monthly demand levels. So if we take a look at our OBV and drag this up, what you can see is that we're now starting to dip down into levels that we haven't seen since before we broke major resistance at 18K back in January. All right, so this 4-hour chart is where it really starts getting interesting, and I've left these markers on the chart for illustration. We have a clear lower time frame rejection here at about the 23.8 level resistance, and it was a very strong rejection. I would assume that from here, we continue to the downside if this major monthly support does not hold. Very little volume here at these levels as well. So taking a look at our liquidity is going to give us a more clear picture if longs are entering or exiting at these levels. All right, so first we're going to take a look at our heat map brought to you by highblockcapital.com. Link is in the description for more information on this incredible platform. This is going to be aggregating the estimated levels from BitMEX, Bybit, as well as Binance. And if we zoom in here, we can easily see that we're a lot closer to long liquidations at around the 23K level than we are any major short liquidations on this 12-hour look back period. Hopping over to the individualized levels from Binance, it shows a pretty good gap in the short liquidations. And, you know, there's a little pocket here up around like 23.7, 24K or so, but they don't really start getting really thick until 24K and above. If the bulls hop in the party here, this is probably the level that I would be looking to enter short if I wasn't already. And I'd be expecting the price to slide down to these at least 22.5K area here. That's all for today, guys. Make sure to follow @VenomAlgo on Twitter for updates on my impending strategy re-release. And until next time, happy trading.